picture of it?
Yeah.
Getting hard up for photography, huh?
Okay, that little tiny piece was right there. Huh. That's presses in right there where that. Don't know if that's supposed to be there or not.
I don't either. Maybe it's a groove.
Yeah, might be just to keep
Hard to
it.
say.
You know, sometimes they'll do something so it has to fit in a certain way,
Right.
so that little piece right there would be where it's supposed to. That would be right there in that.
And not just be something that was wrong.
Yeah.
You're not willing to give up, huh?
Well, I'm sure the sprinkler guy would try that before he replaced it, or he should. So the Orbit 57100, they have one of these at true value.
Really?
This part here. So we got an O-ring here. Mm-hmm. That O-ring looks good. I didn't take this valve apart yet. This goes in here.
It looks like an ordinary spring, doesn't it?
Yeah. This goes here. And the that little loop that's missing on this one shows on those other videos too.
Oh.
Pushes down, so that pushes the diaphragm down.
Okay.
Okay. And we got a picture of it.
It was working just perfect.
Yeah, we'll have to test it again. I know I got to find the old groove that these screws go in. That's important.
It is?
Yeah. Because this plastic, when this threads in, it makes its own groove.
Oh, okay.
So if you keep making new grooves, pretty soon it's all ate up, and the body won't hold a screw, and then you got to replace.
Trouble.
Yeah. So you can feel it when
This might screw it up.
it wouldn't shut off. We can try it again and see if it holds or fails. I got it videoed now. Okay, that's the test. Now we'll see if it shuts off and it stays off. All right, it shut off, so Alright, here's the Watermaster. Here's the diaphragm from the Watermaster. Missing that part, the water spraying out here. Here's the Orbit replacement kit for the diaphragm. 5.7, I better take a picture of this here. measurement there. Same measurement there. The center pieces are the same. The diaphragm is the same. The top, the height. Okay, and this part goes down alongside the valve body. It's the only difference in them. So this does not interfere. This is Orbit. This is Watermaster. Okay. This is the replacement right here, the Orbit 57-100 and the 57-101 3/4 and the 1-inch valves are the same. It's a good thing it stuck open and got our attention. So sometimes I wonder if those, things don't happen on purpose.
They could.
All right, spring goes on first, and the diaphragm goes on top of that.
Thank you for all those.
And it fits in there just like the Watermaster one.
Yeah. That's great.
Yep.
When you see a problem, you just keep going, don't you?
So,
When you quail over there, you must have seed over there or something. I hear one of them hollering, like they do. They sit up in the tree, kind of a lookout.
yeah.
Pretty soon we'll see them going down the street to wherever they go. Who knows? Where they take the little ones. Like little tiny, I don't know what.
I never made it over to Monroe Pump.
possible.
Okay. I could feel it tighten down.
So how do we test it? We already know it works.
Well, as long as it doesn't spray water
Mm-hmm.
and it opens and closes,
You know it's good.
I'll just figure it's working right until it hangs up or has another problem of some kind.
Well, thanks, Calvin. You really solved this problem. You can go on to your next problem. What's your next one?
I don't know.
Hasn't appeared yet, huh?
Yeah, nothing new. Just those. Back together.
Okay.
I'll go turn the water on.
Don't you get wet?
Nope, I'm staying kind of back away from it. So, manual valve opened it. Pressure bleeds off. The spring pushes the diaphragm back down. And it's working here.
All right.
The only thing I guess now would be just to check the electronic control. Just run it, cycle it through.
Okay.
Where the solenoid opens and closes, and
Okay.
she's not spraying water, so
Looks good.
yeah,
Tomorrow's a normal day to go on.
that's right.